Yeah. All right, last one.
AI is coming to your fortune cookie. Yeah, I guess. I was thinking about that with fortune cookies because I think this might have been a while ago, but somebody in my group got a fortune cookie that definitely wasn't a fortune. Like, I don't know what the rules are on fortune cookies.
Is it an emoji or something?
No, it was something negative. Like, not a fortune. And I don't know what the rules are. I don't know. I would love to know the origin of the fortune cookie and whether it has to be something fortunate. With whatever they typically say, like, you are well loved by those around you. It's like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's
a history of it.
Some of it gets lost in translation, I'm sure, as well. One of the many joys of eating Chinese food is you get the fortune cookie. I want to know who started it. Fortune cookies did not originate in China, no surprise. It likely evolved from wafers eaten in ancient Japan, but despite the mismatch, they've become a beloved accompaniment to meals from Chinese restaurants in America and Canada as well, for that record. Human writers come up with witty sayings, and it's like a fun thing. You eat your cookie at the end. Now, some fortune cookie makers are turning to technology to make the process a little easier. New York-based Open Fortune.
I like that one. Eh?
Oh, my God. Which produces and distributes branded fortune cookies to more than 47,000 restaurants. Recently began using ChatGPT to come up with its phrases. Created by the startup OpenAI. Yeah, we know about GPT. I'm not surprised. Make life easier. Have more variety to the fortune. So you're not like, oh, I got this one last week when I was eating at this restaurant. Right? I wonder how many in a typical bag that you would buy as a restaurant.
There's got to be doubles in there.
What the variety is. And then across restaurants, how many suppliers and writers. If you go AI, then you might be able to insert some sort of variety. However, they could also be come off terribly. It would be a little risk to it.
Someone will probably have to proofread them.
You'd have to be proofreading. But as we know, that doesn't happen all the time. And something's going to sneak through.
Yeah, I can't wait for that one.
You will be dead in 5 minutes.
But I probably know your thoughts, but this to me kind of is a bit sad, to have like AI writing some sort of like, I don't know, some creativity in like a fortune cookie. I thought it would be, a nice thing to have because it's a human element writing that little thing, but it's AI taking over.
It's not something that ever crossed my mind as I cracked the fortune cookie.
I know, yeah.
I'm like,
it's just one of those things where it's just like human made and then it's not anymore.
That's everything.
I hear you. Yeah. I hear you on that front too.
I feel like a fortune cookie now.